Want to turn your iPad into a second screen for your Mac? Whether you're multitasking or just need extra screen real estate, Apple's Sidecar feature makes it super easy. No cables, no apps needed. Here's how to do it. Before we start, make sure your Mac and iPad support Sidecar. You will need a Mac running macOS Catalina or later, an iPad running iPadOS 13 or later, and both devices must be signed into the same Apple ID. Next, turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and handoff on both devices. On Mac, you can do this by going to System Settings, General, AirDrop and Handoff, and turning on this toggle. On iPad, go to Settings, General, AirDrop and Continuity, and enable Handoff. Now it's time to connect. On your Mac, click on Control Center from the top right corner, then choose Screen Mirroring, and then click on your iPad's name. You can also go to System Settings, click on Displays, and then click on the plus button and select your iPad from the list. By default, your iPad will act as an extended display, but you can also mirror your Mac screen. To change the mode, go to System Settings, Display, and select either Mirror or Extend Display. You can even drag and drop files or use Apple Pencil to click and scroll. You can use Sidecar wirelessly, but for better performance and less lag, connect your iPad to the Mac with a USB-C or Lightning cable. This is perfect for video editing or graphics work. And that's it, your iPad is now a powerful second display for your Mac, perfect for multitasking, creative work, or boosting your workspace setup. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.